good, YouTube? So today I got a different style video coming your guys' way. We're gonna get this shitbox Mustang going right here. You see we got these jalopy rims on this thing. My grandpa ended up picking up this car for like 500 bucks, and we believe it just needs a new ignition switch. So it's a V6, it's not the V8. Today I'm gonna get the ignition switch swapped out. I don't know what we got going on down there. You see we got these seat cables here that ain't hooked to nothing. Before I get in there and start working, I want to get this thing cleaned up. So got the pressure washer out. We're gonna get this thing pressure washed, and then yeah, we'll get this ignition switch swapped out, get this thing thrown back together, and if we can get it back running, we're gonna go ahead and try to sell this thing. So that's what's on the docket today. So let's go ahead and get this baby cleaned up. These goofballs, they tens, but I keep them clean though. All right, you guys, so we got it cleaned up. Here's what it's looking like now. Still nothing special. I mean, this thing is the definition of a shitbox Mustang, you guys. And then check it out. Somebody put the dually on it on the V6. So yeah, cleaned up a lot better than it was. I mean, it's still not great, but like I said, it was only $500 to begin with. So even if we could just get the $500 back out at this point, my grandpa's had it for like 6 months. And yeah, we're just ready to get rid of it now. Everybody's just been so busy, hasn't had a chance to really work on it. Inside, I mean, it looks exactly identical to what my 01 Mustang looked like. Pop the hood on this guy. How's this son of a gun open? There we go. Wait, is that it?
A few moments later.
Yeah.
20 minutes later.
What's going on?
3 hours later.
What's going on? Where's the freaking...
Tomorrow for sure.
Yep, just a little 3.8. This actually isn't a bad size. Got spark plugs sitting out over here. I hope this don't turn into more than what it looks like. Hose this engine bay off too. I don't know what these spark plugs go to. Motorcraft, they had to be factory ones or replacement. Looks like that spark plug wire is just hanging. Or all the, I don't know, look all right. Get them cleaned up. I'm actually gonna wait to hose this off because I don't want any water going into the piston. So, well, you guys, I'm not gonna worry about the spark plugs right now. I was just talking to my grandpa and he was like, why don't you get the ignition switch installed? See if it's even gonna crank. So, yeah, that's what I'm on. So I gotta remove that bolt. And then there's another bolt. Remove those, then there's a metal plate underneath. So check this out, you guys. Somebody's obviously been down in here before. We got this thing hanging. I don't know if that was some kind of alarm system they hooked in. They got wires spliced in here. I mean, somebody was doing some shoddy work, all the electrical tape. Hopefully this is the issue, but who knows? Look at that hellhole, man. Told you guys, shitbox Mustang, man. Well, let's see what we're getting into. I ain't gonna waste your guys' time showing you a how-to step today. I know y'all don't give a fuck, just like I don't give a fuck about this Mustang. We just trying to get it out of here, man. It's just been in the way lately, so. Got this son of a gun out. Oh, what size is that? That feels like it released it. There we go, bada bing, bada boom. Get this old one out of here. I see the steering wheel cover, what they got, the faux wood grain on this thing. Got the old Sony deck. Man, you don't even see decks in cars anymore like this. But anyways, so we got this new ignition switch put on. Now I'm gonna just get all this other crap put back on, not messing with whatever they got going on down here. It's got to be some type of security system, maybe multiple security systems over the years. I don't know. This thing's a 95, 96, something like that. So who knows what's been done. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys once I got it all put back together. All right, you guys, so I got my grandpa's Impala here. We're gonna go ahead and hook these battery cables up, see if we can jump this thing. I think the battery cable's all corroded on this Impala. I think I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and then can you guys hear that little bit of a tick? Pretty sure it's because it needs an oil change in a major way. So we're gonna go ahead and get that knocked out for my grandpa today. So let's get it. All right, you guys, moment of truth. See if this baby's gonna start dinging like it's supposed to. And nothing. We'll let it sit on this charger for a minute. Maybe that's the issue. I don't know though. I don't know. Shit box Mustang, y'all. Somebody's old security. The vert though. Damn, nothing. This thing was so dead that when we put a regular charger on it, it wouldn't even register a reading. And while it's hooked up to the Impala, I'm gonna go ahead and get these spark plugs put back in, and then we'll see if this baby will crank over. All right, got all the wires put back on in there. Damn, y'all, I got my arm good. Y'all don't got the gojo to clean this up. You guys are tripping. All right, let's get to it. Let's see if this baby gonna crank up or what. Well, it's a no-go on the Mustang, you guys. Swapped out the ignition switch, but it didn't kick on, or it didn't turn over. All it does is it just turns and it clicks. So we don't know if the starter's bad, if the actual motor is locked up. Doubt that, but yeah, not worth messing with it. We don't have much invested into it, only about 500 bucks. Probably just get rid of it as it is if somebody wants it. Probably around 500 bucks, just get our money back out of it. Somebody wants to mess with it, whatever. If one of you guys happen to live in the 209 and you're serious about this, hit me up. Like I said, I think it's about a 95 or a 96. 500 bucks and it's yours, man. So I'm gonna get this thing out of here. We're gonna get this Impala right here, get it an oil change, probably get it cleaned up real quick. Look how nice these cars are. I mean, for as old as it is, it's really a nice car. The car is filthy. And get this sprayed down for my grandpa. Get his oil changed for him. Change oil soon. I bet you this mug on 0%. Let's check it out, you guys. Damn, 0%. Come on, Pop. Come on, Pop. It's all good though, you guys. We're gonna take care of it for him today. Get pulled into the shop here. Make sure I don't hit nothing. Get my angles right. Can't see shit out this car, man. That's why we gotta get it cleaned up. If there's one knock on these Impala though, you guys, look at this rear view camera. What? Look like about an 08 TV or something. What's going on, man? Come on, Chevy. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the car cleaned off, and then I'm gonna get the oil change for him, man. If there's one thing I can tell you guys, man, it's take care of the people that take care of you. There we go, we got it all pressure washed, you guys. Definitely not the best ever, but way better than it was. Let's get it in the shop. At least I can halfway see out this damn windshield now. Ever since I hit my tire, you guys, or my wheel, I'm always sketched out to pull in this thing now. And I hate it. I've been pulling in this thing my whole life, never had any issues. But now, it's all sketch. All right, you guys, so we got the Impala up on the lift. Let's go ahead and get this oil changed real quick for my grandpa, help him out. If you guys haven't seen underneath one of these, this is how it looks. Oh, check it out. The little Y pipe they got going here is kind of crazy. This baby actually looks pretty good underneath. Don't look too bad at all, y'all. Don't look too bad at all. Big old cat up there though, that's for sure. All right, y'all, let's see if this one comes off okay. Last time, it was a little bit of a doozy. Damn, man, what the hell putting drain plugs on so tight? I swear, dude, if you guys taking your car to like these little shops, little quick lubes and all them to get your oil changed, don't do it. You guys gonna regret it in the long run. An oil drain plug should never be that tight. And get some big ass wrench to pry on this thing with. See this damn wrench I gotta get? This is crazy. Oh my God. I swear I'm having the worst luck, y'all. I gotta clean this thing out. Look at this, y'all. All because one little plastic fitting right there. The oil started hitting that, splashing everywhere. Splashed all on my shorts, all on my shirt. My girl just got me these shorts. This is like my 3rd time wearing them, so I'm sorry, girl, my bad. Damn, damn, damn. I can't believe it, you guys. I thought I was doing good this time around. Thought I was in the clear. All right, let's get this cleaned up. So y'all, this that type of shit. It turned a 20-minute job into a 40-minute job. And this shit, it's a freaking mess. I gotta go back, sweep all this bullshit up. That's whack as hell. How to go all the way on this side even? And it's like, I can't even, I gotta be careful where I step. I still gotta get back in my car, y'all. I don't wanna be tracking oil everywhere. I think them's the sweat marks. Look at where they got this oil filter. How am I supposed to get that out of there without making a mess? Come on. Man, so I ended up not getting the oil changed, you guys. Missing this filter right here. You see this one's PF48. My grandpa bought PF46 for his car. So the like little bolt or nut that the oil filter screws onto, it was too freaking big. So yeah, I had to run over here to O'Reilly's right quick. That's my spot, if y'all don't know. Stay holding it down for O'Reilly's. But anyways, yeah, had to shoot over here, get the parts that I needed. Now I gotta see if I can pull out this gnarly ass parking lot. Ooh, hope I don't scrape, man. Wasn't able to get my grandpa's oil changed, but it is what it is. Literally all I've got to do is put that filter back on, pour oil in it, and we're done. So he didn't really need it today, so we just left it at the shop for the day. I know y'all seen the Lakers though, boy. We out here balling. It almost ain't even worth talking about that game. We finna just, you might as well call it a sweep. What they call that, a gentleman's sweep when they beat you 4-1. So Trailblazers, we probably about to knock them off tomorrow, or when you guys see this video, it'll probably be that day. But I'm finna get up out of here, y'all. I'm tired as hell, so I'm out. Peace.